Motelo ne mine kaunti nendo ma en Mikai Pamela Odhiambo ne wacho ni ng'ur gi gwandruok manche nitie duond bura mar ODM gini gi koma nyaka timre e duond bura moro amora manigi demokrasia kendo nitiere koda ka dongruok mantiere kare. Kane giloso ne giwacho ni gwandruok manche nitiere e kindgi kanyakla koda ka jowadgi ma en Otiende Amolo mar Arieda kod Seneta Masia Migosi James Orengo gin ranyisi ni duond bura mar ODM nitie koda ka thuolo mag oganda moko bedo koda ka paro mopogore. To mano nyiso ni en tegno kata chia ma sani koro od bura nendo nitiere godo. Kane giloso ne giwacho ni ber mar mondo mi koro oganda osir BBI ka giwacho ni BBI nitie kod weche mabeyo ahinya bende bro siro kendo kelo dongruok mathoth ahinya e pacho kaendi.
Disagreements are not necessarily war. In fact, in any debate, there is bound to be divergent opinions. So I want to say that what's going on in ODM, be it at the national level or at the grassroots, is not war. It's a disagreement in terms of perspective, disagreement in terms of philosophy, political philosophy or thinking, and that is healthy in a democratic setting. It only becomes unhealthy if the disagreement degenerates into active quarrel and fallout. I think the one that is there in ODM has not become grievous. It has not become too serious to lead to a fallout that might threaten the party. ODM members have differed on the issue of BBI, but if you look at the bottom line, you find that all of them are in support. Orengo is in support of BBI, but wanted his position regarding certain issues that he calls errors to be documented and to be part of his position in the Hansard. Otiende Amolo similarly has a certain position on issues that he is very particular about, and when he articulates those issues, some people become jittery. But nevertheless, he is supporting BBI and he voted for it.
We are at a time when we are talking about our constitutional change, and the document that we passed the other day in Parliament is a good document. And I want to appeal, beginning with my own county people, let us support this document when time comes, and we will see a lot of changes. Like what I want to see in Migori County is more money coming to our county, and not only stopping at the county level, but going down to the ward level. I think that is something that is very valuable in that document that we cannot throw away. We cannot throw away money that the government, through this constitutional change, is going to set apart for our young people who are jobless but have skills and abilities to raise their own businesses using their